Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about turpentine. Now, something you may or may not know about turpentine, it is nature's solvent. It's actually derived from trees. It is kind of resin that comes off of mostly pine trees, and then they distill it and turn it into a solvent. Now, it is still a chemical, and you have to be very careful using it. This is what most artists like to use for thinning and cleaning their brushes. It's a really well-regarded solvent for cleaning, removing any kind of latex paint primarily, but it'll also do oil base as well. So if you're looking for something that's a little more nature-based when it comes to a solvent, then turpentine might be the way to go. Coming up next, my video on paint thinner.